I'm Prabjot Kaur and welcome to the Daily News Bulletin of Jagran English. Let's begin with the first big story of the day. The Supreme Court today said that it will hear the pleas alleging violence against the peaceful protest of students at Jamia and University in Delhi and Aligarh Muslim University in Uttar Pradesh on Tuesday. Chief Justice S.A. Bobde, listing the matter for Tuesday, said that rioting has to be stopped and students can't take the law and order in their hands. He further said that this is not the right atmosphere to decide anything. The case was mentioned before the bench by senior advocate Indra Jai Singh, who asked the top court to take suo motu cognizance of the issue, saying it's a very serious human rights violation all over the country. Meanwhile, the Delhi police registered 2 cases in connection with violence at Jamia Islamia and adjoining areas on Sunday following protest against the amended Citizenship Act. The university had turned into a battlefield on Sunday as police entered the campus and also used force following protest against the act. More than 125 students were left injured after the police action in Jamia. Around 35 students were taken to the Kalkaji police station and were detained there till 3:30 a.m. and were not allowed to meet anybody. The varsity had declared winter vacation from Saturday till January 5th and even postponed the exams. Following the violent protest at the Aligarh Muslim University against the amended Citizenship Act on Sunday, Uttar Pradesh Police Chief on Monday said the varsity campus will be evacuated today and all students will be sent home. Violent protests erupted in AMU after hundreds of protesters clashed with the police on Sunday evening, leaving as many as 60 injured. The AMU administration has also announced the closure of the university till January 5th. AMU Registrar Abdul Hamid said the police entered the campus late Sunday night and clashes were reported from inside. Meanwhile, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath appealed to the residents of the state to maintain peace and harmony. The clashes at AMU started after an agitation by Delhi's Jamia Islamia students against the legislation turned violent and police used batons and tear gases to disperse them. Several students were injured in the national capital. The AMU students gathered at the Babe Sir Syed Gate and raised slogans against the police action on the demonstrators in Delhi. The students broke the police cordon and fought pitched battles with the police. Today is the 7th anniversary of Nirbhaya rape murder case. The brutal incident, which happened 7 years ago in 2012, traumatized the entire country, leading to massive protests and uproar demanding instant justice to the victim and stricter rules for crimes against women. But even after 7 years, Nirbhaya's parents were still waiting to see the execution of the convicts and justice being served to their daughter. Nirbhaya's parents, in an interview with Jagran, appealed Prime Minister Narendra Modi that it is time to save the daughters and he needs to address the public on how such crimes can be stopped and please focus on this. They further said that despite what happened with Nirbhaya in 2012, rape cases are still taking places in India and it's long for the system to prove them guilty. They also said that whenever such crime takes place, people start saying that they will make laws and situations will be improved, but nothing happens, and this is a loose point in the society. With this, I conclude the Daily News Bulletin for today. We will be back tomorrow with more big stories of the day. You can log on to english.jagran.com to catch all the developments of the day. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook and YouTube. Thanks for watching.